So here we have the heading. Existence of gravity can be seen in circular motion of planets or of the satellite. The circular motion of the planets around the sun or of the satellites around the planet. It can be associated with the gravitational force existence. Let us take the example of Earth and Moon. Moon is making circle around Earth. What happens here actually? Earth and Moon both are applying equal force on each other, but since Moon is smaller, so Moon should move towards Earth, but it doesn't happen. Why? Because Moon is making circle, and in making this circle, it is utilizing the gravitational force only. So, whenever any object is making the circle, it requires a force called centripetal force. And always the centripetal force is provided by whatever force is present in that situation towards the center. So, when Earth applies gravitational force on Moon, Moon uses this gravitational force on it in making centripetal force which is required for it to make circle. So, whatever gravitational force the Earth will apply on Moon, Moon will completely utilize it in making circle. So this way the whole gravitational force by Earth will be spent, and this way Moon will continuously make the circle. So this way all the satellites around the planets or all the planets around the sun move in the circular motion. Now the two symbols capital G and small g are all the time appearing in this chapter. Let us first clear the difference between the two. Capital G is the same which we used in the Newton's force formula, G m1 m2 upon r square. Now capital G is known as universal gravitational constant. That means its value will always remain the same. Whether we are finding the force of gravity on Earth or on Moon or on any other planet, so the capital G value will always remain the same. It will not change, and its value is 6.67 into 10 raised to power minus 11 in SI unit. Now small g is the same which we use as 9.8. It is the gravitational acceleration or acceleration due to gravity. Now the value is 9.8, or approximately we use it as 10 in all our Newton's equations of motions. Now this value of g, it varies from place to place on Earth. To understand that how does it vary or why does it vary, we need to understand the derivation of small g. Now this heading you can take as relation between capital G and small g, or you can take as derivation of small g. Now what we have to do to find this small g derivation, suppose we are given Earth's total mass is capital M, and this total mass of Earth is always centered here. That means it is always concentrated at the Earth's center. Now suppose we are taking another body on the Earth's surface, its mass is small m. What we have to do now, our target is to find out that what gravitational acceleration it is experiencing. So what we have to do, we have to find the weight of this object, and then we have to equate it with the gravitational force applied by Earth on it. Because recall the definition of weight. Weight of any object is actually the gravitational force on that object. Okay, so let us start applying weight formula. We have to apply the weight formula of small m. So it is small mg. Then we have to find out the Newton's gravitational force formula. So small m and capital M. Capital M is here at the center. So small m and capital M, they are separated by radius of Earth. So this way the Newton's force formula, capital G, capital M, small m upon distance. Distance between the two objects is capital R. R is the radius of the Earth. So R square. Now you can see small m is getting cancelled and easily we are getting small g answer. It is capital G m upon r square. Now you can notice here what was this capital M and R. These are the values of the mass and radius of the planet for which we are finding the gravitational acceleration. So that means the gravitational acceleration, if we are finding for any other planet other than Earth, then here we have to put the mass and radius of that planet. This way we can see whenever we find this small g value for different planets, then because of this capital M and R value, the small g answer will come different.